In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 model homes here in the community. These are model homes, but they're actually for sale, not just for display. Hi everyone! 안녕하세요. 你好. I'm Lauren Chenfu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. Today I'm here at Monument at Reverence by Pulte Homes. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 3 model homes here in the community. These are model homes, but they're actually for sale, not just for display. And at the end of the tour, I'll also show you a quick moving home, which is a great option if you're looking to move sooner rather than waiting for a full build. Pricing, incentives, and availability can change. So if anything you see today catches your interest, make sure to reach out to me. Alright, let's start with the first model. This first home is the Branton floor plan. It's a 2-story home with about 1,654 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Starting prices are in the high $400,000. As soon as you walk in, you can see how open everything feels. The kitchen flows right into the living area, which makes this layout really practical for everyday living. Whether you're cooking, hanging out with family, or entertaining guests, everything feels connected. All the bedrooms are upstairs, which keeps the main level nice and open. This is a great option if you're looking for a modern, easy-to-maintain home or even the first new construction purchase. As a real estate professional, I always tell buyers that convenience matters just as much as the home itself. Communities like this hold value because they support how people actually live, busy schedules, social lives, and flexibility. And if you haven't seen it yet, I've got another video where I compare Grand Park Village and the urban core in Summerlin West. Definitely worth watching if you are exploring your options here. Next up is the Cornwall floor plan. This one is a little larger, at about 1,736 square feet, with 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Pricing starts in the low $500,000. Before we move on, let me quickly touch on HOA and SID, since that comes up a lot. Here, at Monument at Reverence, there is a monthly HOA fee of $135 and $69 for Summerlin Master HOA. And there's also a SID balance of $4,837. The HOA covers things like community maintenance and shared areas, and the SID goes toward local infrastructure improvements. The exact amounts can vary depending on the home site, so if you want the most accurate numbers, just reach out and I'll go over that with you. Across all three floor plans, what really stands out is how intentional the design is. Every square foot works hard. These homes are built for people who want convenience, flexibility, and proximity to everything Summerlin offers, without the maintenance of a traditional single-family home. The big highlight here, and the reason a lot of people love this plan, is the rooftop deck. It gives you extra outdoor space without having to maintain a yard. It's perfect for relaxing, entertaining friends, or just enjoying the evenings. If you like having a home that feels a little different and more lifestyle focused, the Cornwall is definitely worth checking out. Now let's check out the Danbury, which is the largest of the three models we're touring today. This home offers about 1,869 square feet with 3 bedrooms, and there's also the option to add a 4th bedroom. You also get a loft space, which gives you a lot of flexibility. You can use it as a home office, a second living area, or even convert it into another bedroom if needed. Pricing for the Danbury starts in the mid $500,000. If space and flexibility are important to you, especially if you work from home, this floor plan is a really solid choice. Summerlin itself offers an endless lineup of lifestyle perks: golf, pools, libraries, dining, seasonal festivals, car shows, and community events. There's always something happening, but never chaos. Another huge plus of Summerlin is peace of mind. Police and fire stations are built directly into the master plan, which is something buyers really appreciate, especially those relocating or downsizing. Before we wrap up, I want to quickly show you a quick moving home. This quick moving home just came back on the market because the previous buyer just canceled today. So if you are ready, this is the opportunity you do not want to miss. You still get that brand new home feel, plus many of the popular upgrades are already selected for you. So if timing is important to you, this is definitely something to consider. If you want updates on pricing, floor plans, and upcoming releases, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And if you want my honest insight on whether this community fits your lifestyle, reach out. I'm happy to help. Contact me today for the best pricing details and exclusive builder incentives. You don't want to miss this one. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Lauren Chen Fu, your Las Vegas lifestyle specialist. See you in the next one.